Plant area. Now let's briefly explore various sections within our plant, each presenting its own distinct risks and precautions that must be considered. Administration area and social area. It is important to be careful when using the stairs in such areas. Warehouse and the workshops. These are areas where vehicle movement, forklifts, pallet trucks and equipment lifting are common. Gas receiving facility. This area poses potential dangers such as fire, explosion, high pressure lines and equipment, and high noise. Desalination plant and lab building. There is exposure to chemicals, heavy vehicle movement, and high noise levels which may pose danger. Wastewater treatment plant. There is an area with risk of exposure to chemicals, heavy vehicle movement, and high noise levels. Central control building. Access to main control building and electrical control building is restricted to authorized personnel only. Main powerhouse. High noise, high pressure and temperature lines, and physical injury are possible risks in this area. Transformers. Authorized personnel are only permitted to enter this zone with a valid work permit due to high voltage power lines. Switchgear rooms. Authorized personnel with a valid work permit are allowed in these rooms. Boiler. It has hazards like high temperature, high pressure lines, explosion, fire and electrical and chemical accidents. Ammonia and other chemical storage area. It may have hazards and risks like toxic gas release, chemical spillage, highly flammable and combustible. Stockyard and transfer system. It's a complex area with hazards such as fire, poor lighting, physical contact with conveyors, and inhaling coal dust. Electrochlorination plant. Poses risks such as chemical handling, vehicle movements, and high noise levels. Main cooling water intake. This area has typical risks like overhead crane movements, falling objects, drowning, confined spaces, rotating shafts, and environmental hazards. Jetty and conveyor. This area has heavy vehicle and ship movement, so caution must be taken.